Congratulations, team. Yeah, let's have dinner kasi fasting sa taxi by 8:30. So, early dinner na. Sa top si ni Vivian at Dudalawa. Dagong eating place. Ano kung bakit ka? I love you. Okay ba, Papsi? Kasi, good evening, pa. Okay, let's eat na. Kaya nga ikaw muna tinatanong. Congrats, team! Congrats! Thank you, Lord, for answering our prayers. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy our dinner.